Class 12th Commerce, Subject Accountancy, Chapter number 1, Financial Statements Analysis Assignment. Listen now, I am giving you the assignment. You have to solve and then you will mail it to me. Listen, I am reading questions and you will reply. You will write the answer of these questions. Question number 1. Write down all the parts of inventories. Listen, whatever the slides I have told you, first of all, it is your mandatory duty to learn them all. After learning, you will write question 1. Write down all the parts of inventories. Question number 1. Question number 2. Write down all the parts of cash and cash equivalents. Question number 3. Write down all the parts of OCA. OCA means other current assets. Question number 4. What do you mean by contingent liabilities? Question number 5. Explain about capital commitments. Question number 6. Under which main heads and subheads of the equity and liabilities part of the balance sheet as per schedule 3rd of a company are the following items shown? A number, calls in area. B number, income received in advance. C number, interest accrued and due on borrowings. D number, equity share capital. E number, general reserve. F number, provision for expenses. G number, unpaid matured deposits and interest accrued thereon. H number, bonds. I number, outstanding expense. J number, provision for doubtful debts. K number, unpaid dividend. L number, premium on redemption of preference shares. And now listen, I am reading question number 7. Moon Limited is registered with capital of rupees 40 lakh divided into 4 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. The company issued 2 lakh equity shares for subscriptions to the public. The public applied for 1,90,000 equity shares and all the money was duly received except the final call of rupees 2 per share on 5,000 shares or in 5,000 shares. It is also show how share capital will appear in the balance sheet of the company. Also prepare notes to account for the same. Question number 8. Ankit Limited was registered with an authorized capital of rupees 1 crore 20 lakh divided into 1,20,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. The company issued 6,000 equity shares at fully paid to the vendor for the purchase of the building and 50,000 equity shares were subscribed for by the public. All the calls were made and were duly received except the second call of rupees 20 per share on 700 shares. Show how share capital will appear in the balance sheet of the company. Also prepare notes to accounts for the same. Question number 9. What is meant by financial statements? Name the 2 main financial statements of a company. Question number 10. What is meant by operating cycle? And you will write in detail. See now homework solution of lecture number 5. Answer 21. Question will be in your book definitely. Answer I have written. See, items, headings and subheadings are written. There is no subheading for preliminary expenses and discount on issue of debentures. Headings are given but subheadings are not given. Then 10% debentures, non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings, stock in trade, current assets, inventories, cash at bank, current assets, cash and cash equivalents, bills receivable, current assets, trade receivables, goodwill, non-current assets, fixed assets, and it is intangible asset. Loose tools, current assets, inventories, horse and carts, non-current assets, fixed assets, tangible assets. Motor truck, non-current assets, fixed assets, and they are intangible. They are they are tangible. Beta tangible hai. They are tangible assets. Provision for taxation, current liability, STP. STP means short-term provisions. Current, this is sundry creditors, current liabilities, trade payables. आंसर 22. देखिए आपको इसमें ये बताना था किस हेड में कहां पर जाएगा पैसा. नॉन करंट लाइबिलिटीज, लॉन्ग टर्म लाइबिलिटीज ₹4 लाख, करंट लाइबिलिटीज, अदर करंट लाइबिलिटीज, आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस प्लस हुआ है इसमें कॉल्स इन एडवांस, बोथ आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ अदर करंट लाइबिलिटीज. टोटल मनी है आपका ₹35,000. शॉर्ट टर्म प्रोविजन एसटीपी, शॉर्ट टर्म प्रोविजंस, प्रोविजन फॉर एम्प्लॉय बेनिफिट्स प्लस प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्सेशन, टोटल पैसे आ गए आपके ₹1,70,000. आंसर 23. नॉन करंट एसेट्स, टेंजिबल एसेट्स, व्हीकल्स एंड ऑफिस इक्विपमेंट, ये दोनों मिलकर के ₹60 लाख. इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स में देखिए ट्रेडमार्क्स आएंगे, कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर आएगा, ₹8 लाख. आंसर 24. नॉन करंट एसेट्स, डेफर्ड टैक्स एसेट्स, इट इज ऑफ ₹2 लाख. करंट एसेट्स में आया इन्वेंटरी, लूज टूल्स एंड गुड्स इन ट्रांसिट, ₹6,20,000. अदर करंट एसेट्स में आ गया प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस, इंटरेस्ट अक्रूड ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, रुपीज आ गया आपका 25,000. थैंक यू सो मच.